In April 2025, Tesla reached a historic milestone that redefined the landscape of North American automotive manufacturing. Every Model Y and Model 3 delivered in the United States now runs on battery packs that are 100% made on American soil. This achievement, announced in the first quarter 2025 report, is not just a technological triumph, but a case study in industrial resilience, revealing how a company turned global challenges into strategic opportunities. The journey began in the halls of the Nevada Gigafactory, where machines, synchronized like a metallurgical orchestra, hit record production. Since 2022, the manufacturer had been quietly ramping up production of its revolutionary 4680 battery cells, cylinders the size of a water bottle that store enough energy to power an entire neighborhood for hours. The numbers tell part of this epic, from 85,000 cells produced daily in 2023 to 126,000 in 2024, culminating in the milestone of 50 million units produced by June of last year. Each cell carries in its technological DNA a quantum leap in energy density, reducing costs while increasing vehicle range. But the real revolution lies in the supply web Tesla has woven across the continent. The company has turned the concept of vertical integration into a strategic art form, building an ecosystem that Henry Ford would recognize as a direct heir to his moving assembly line. In Texas, a lithium refinery in Robstown processes the white gold of batteries, while in Austin, a cathode plant transforms minerals into high-precision components. Nevada and Texas share cell production, which are encapsulated into packs directly on the vehicle assembly lines. "We're ridiculously vertically integrated," joked Elon Musk during the earnings call, referencing the company's near-total autonomy over its production chain. This web was not woven by accident. The COVID-19 pandemic, which paralyzed ports and emptied shipping containers from 2020 to 2022, served as a wake-up call. Karn Budhiraj, Tesla's supply chain executive, revealed during the earnings call that regionalization had already been a strategy in the making since 2019, but gained existential urgency with the logistics crises. The solution came in the form of a dual strategy: supplier diversification and geographic redundancy. Every critical component of the 4680 batteries now has at least 2 countries of origin, a safeguard against geopolitical turbulence. The numbers from the Made in America Auto Index, from Kogod School of Business at American University, paint an impressive picture. The environmental impact of this achievement is measurable. In its Earth Day 2025 announcement, Tesla revealed it recycled enough material for 21,000 Model Ys, a 136% increase since 2023. Local production eliminated emissions equivalent to 12,000 annual transatlantic flights, thanks to shorter transport routes. The Gigafactories, powered by increasingly clean electric grids, reduced the carbon footprint of batteries by 40% compared to 2020. Behind these numbers is a symphony of innovation. The dry process for producing 4680 cells, described by engineers as a dance of particles without solvents, continues to be refined. "We still haven't found the maximum speed limit," confessed the battery technology director, suggesting that efficiency gains are far from plateauing. Meanwhile, new lithium and cathode refineries in Texas are preparing to start operations later in 2025, closing the circle of mineral sovereignty. This success story, however, does not hide persistent challenges. Asian competition in batteries remains fierce, with BYD and CATL investing heavily in solid-state technologies. The dependence on critical minerals like nickel and cobalt still exposes vulnerabilities, even with advances in recycling, and the pressure for more affordable prices keeps Tesla's engineers in a race against time to reduce costs without compromising performance. What emerges from this web of data and strategies is a new industrial paradigm. Tesla has shown that advanced manufacturing does not have to be hostage to fragile global chains. Its hybrid model, global in vision, local in execution, offers a blueprint for other industries in times of reshoring and friendshoring. The 100,000 people employed directly and indirectly in its U.S. operations are living witnesses to this manufacturing renaissance. As the sun sets over the Nevada desert, lighting up the rows of batteries ready to power the next generation of electric vehicles, one lesson is clear. The energy transition of the 21st century will be as much about geopolitics and supply chains as about technology. By taming these elements on American soil, Tesla has written a crucial chapter in this saga, not as an isolated protagonist, but as the architect of an ecosystem that could sustain an entire industry in the era of global uncertainties.